You just woke up, but your body feels like it's already exhausted. Stiff joints, weak legs. And instead of feeling rested, you feel older. But what if the first 5 minutes of your day could change that? And set your body on a path to strength, energy, and balance? After 60, how you start your day doesn't just affect your morning. It affects your muscles, your balance, your mood, and your recovery. Because during the night, your body slows everything down. Circulation drops, muscles tighten, your nervous system moves into deep rest mode. And when you wake up, there's a short window, the first 5 minutes, where you can either reactivate your body gently or stay stuck in that sluggish, stiff state for hours. It's not about forcing exercise, and it's definitely not about discipline or motivation. It's about giving your body simple signals. You're safe. We're moving again. Let's wake up the right systems, muscles, joints, and brain. In this video, I'll show you exactly what those first 5 minutes should look like, step by step, to prime your body for strength, coordination, and calm energy. Because the truth is, strong days don't start with a workout. They start with intention. And those first few minutes, they might be the most powerful of your whole day. The moment you wake up, your breathing is shallow. It's automatic, a leftover from your sleep state. But here's the problem. That shallow chest breathing keeps your nervous system in a low-level stress response. Even after 7 to 8 hours of rest, your body may still feel on guard, tight, tense, unready. So before you even get out of bed, do this. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Close your eyes if you like, and breathe in slowly through your nose. Let your belly rise like a balloon. Then exhale gently through your mouth. Repeat this for 3 to 5 deep, conscious breaths. No need to force it. Just feel your body expand and soften. What this does is powerful. It tells your brain, we're safe. It shifts your nervous system from fight or flight to rest and repair. Your heart rate calms. Your blood pressure regulates. Oxygen flows deeper into your muscles and brain. And this one shift, just 60 seconds of belly breathing, primes your whole body to move better, feel calmer, and begin the day with clarity. You haven't even gotten out of bed yet, but you've already taken control of how the rest of your body will respond. After your breath has calmed your system, don't jump out of bed just yet. Instead, take 2 minutes to gently wake up your joints. Why? Because after 7 to 8 hours of lying still, your joints are stiff, your circulation is slow, and the lubricant that normally keeps things moving, synovial fluid, hasn't started flowing yet. So before gravity pulls you up, begin like this. Start at your feet. Roll your ankles slowly, 5 circles each direction. This primes your balance system, especially important after 60. Move to your hands. Circle your wrists, open and close your fingers. This wakes up grip strength and eases morning hand stiffness, common in aging joints. Then gently pull one knee towards your chest. Hold for a few seconds, then switch. This softly opens your hips and stretches your low back, and finally, your neck. Turn gently side to side, nod up and down. No force, just motion. This reorients your vestibular system, your internal balance center. These movements do more than just stretch. They re-lubricate the joints. Wake up proprioception, your body's awareness in space. Reduce your risk of falls. And signal to your muscles, it's safe to move today. No fancy routine, no equipment. Just 3 minutes of simple, thoughtful motion. And already, your joints are thanking you. It may not look like much, but this is how strength begins. Not with strain, but with care. Once your breath is calm and your joints are moving, it's time to rise, slowly, with intention. And this next minute, it might be the most important of your morning, because how your muscles wake up sets the tone for your entire day. If you start in a sluggish state, your body stays in preserve mode. You move less, activate less, and ultimately lose more. So we flip that switch early with just 3 simple movements that light up the exact muscles you rely on. Sit to stand, 2 to 3 reps. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet flat, back tall. Lean forward slightly and stand up slowly without using your hands. Then lower yourself back down with control. This fires up your quads and glutes, the muscles behind every step, every stair, and every safe rise from a seat. March in place 30 seconds. Now stand tall. Lift one knee at a time, alternating slowly. Feel your hip flexors, core, and postural muscles engage. This also activates your balance system, gently waking up your coordination and circulation without overexertion. Wall or counter, push-ups, 5 to 10 reps. Place your hands on a wall or kitchen counter. Step back slightly. Bend your elbows slowly. Keep your body aligned and push back to start. This wakes up your shoulders, arms, and upper back, crucial for posture, breathing, and stability throughout the day. These aren't just exercises. They're signals, clear, simple messages to your body. We're not in survival mode today. We're awake, we're ready, and we're moving forward. You'll notice it instantly. More control, more steadiness, less hesitation when you stand or move. Because after 60, you don't need to push harder. You just need to activate smarter. And with just 60 seconds of intentional movement, you transform your morning from stiffness into strength. You've activated your breath. You've moved your joints. You've turned on your muscles. Now it's time to support your body from the inside. Because overnight, your body loses hydration, electrolytes, and stability. And if you head into the day without replacing them, your muscles feel weaker, your energy dips, and your balance can falter. So before the coffee, before the news, before the rush, drink a glass of water. Cool or room temperature, whatever feels good. Then add a pinch of sea salt or a spray of magnesium oil to your skin. Why? Because sodium and magnesium are key electrolytes. They help your muscles contract, your nerves fire, and your cells rehydrate. Without them, even water can't do its job properly. And if you're planning to walk, stretch, or move soon, eat a tiny snack. Nothing heavy. Just a signal to your system that fuel is available. Ideas: a spoon of almond butter, half a banana, a few sips of a protein shake, a small slice of whole grain toast. This simple habit flips the switch from breakdown muscle for energy to support and preserve muscle for strength. So in just 60 seconds, you're giving your body the hydration, minerals, and nutrients it needs to feel strong, right from the start. Because after 60, the difference between fatigue and strength is often just a glass of water and a small bite. You don't need much, you just need the right signal. And now, your body is fully awake, fully supported, and ready to move into the day. That's it. Just 5 minutes. No gym, no fancy routines. No pressure to be perfect. Just simple signals to your body. You're safe. You're supported. You're ready. Breath to calm your system. Movement to wake your joints. Activation to fire your strength. And fuel to protect what you've built. It might feel small, but these are the moments that shape your day. Because after 60, your body responds fast to the right signals and the wrong ones. And when your morning starts strong, the rest of your day follows suit. You stand taller. You walk with more confidence. You handle challenges with more ease. This isn't about motivation. It's about momentum. And that starts the moment you open your eyes. So tomorrow, before the coffee, before the noise, give your body 5 minutes. Breathe, move, fuel, support, and build your strength one morning at a time.